Welcome to Old Iron Machine Works. Not too long ago I acquired quite a bit of old equipment and miscellaneous rusted stuff. I think it was like Vintage Tool Rescue was the video. And anyway, I acquired a bunch of dirty paper or old books and brochures, and a couple weeks ago I started going through some of it finally. And I came across this, which I thought was pretty cool. 1934 South Bend Lathe. Basically, the books on all their lathes and the pricing. And the thing that I thought was pretty cool about it is we skip over here to the 11-inch. The 11-inch are very rare. I don't know exactly how many years I made them, but not too many. And come down over here, and I actually have the 184B. And when I was looking at the price of $495 back in 1934, I'm not sure. You probably could have bought a Ford car for that price, old Model A. But anyway, what I thought made it really cool, if I don't kick the camera anymore, is a few years back I actually acquired this 1934 11-inch, all original paint, the whole bit, which is in actually great shape. All the tags are all original. There's the plate, a little bit dark there. But anyway, it came with all the accessories that you could have got for it. The story, I got it from a gentleman that his brother owned it, fell off of a boat and drowned. Didn't have much of a relationship with his brother, and so his brother had zero history on it, was just clearing out and getting rid of stuff. I've always loved the heavy tins, and when I came across this one, I just thought I have to have it. Anyway, I don't know if I'll probably ever really use it much, but I just thought it was very neat. There's all the original motor and everything up inside. What's kind of cool too is it has its original forward reverse switch with the original wooden handle. Yeah, I don't know where the lathe's been hiding for all the years, but I thought it was pretty neat. This 4-drawer cabinet sitting there came with the cylindrical grinder I bought, and it has all the tooling for the grinder in it. And I'm going to be building a little frame with wheels to go under it. We've been scrapping some stuff out at work, and there was a frame that had these wheels welded to it, and it had the 4 plates that were already drilled and tapped. I just had to take the torch and scarf some of the garbage off of it and grind them and clean them up. The rest of them were just taken apart and blasted and painted and just cleaned up. Here I got the wheels taken apart, and everything actually looked in pretty decent shape. Just a lot of old dried up grease and stuff that just needed to be cleaned off of them. I use a pretty fine glass media, so I actually get in there and I blast right through the cracks to get all the old crap off the ball bearings. Here I put everything in the basket and then throw it in the big commercial wash cabinet, and it does a really nice job cleaning everything up. Just getting it squared up on the table and then going around tack welding everything up. There's no reason to put any more weld on it than I did. Otherwise, it'll just start pulling and warping. This was a little adapter that went from the floor to the cabinet, and it had a little toe kick area. And since I was putting wheels on it, you know, I wanted to cut that part off and get rid of it. Here, try to pump some new grease in it. And here I got another mobile cart that I can move around with ease. Rusty Knox did a video here not long ago on hashtag 2020 coat hanger project, and you probably already know about it, but I decided to kind of jump in the ring and do it.